What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this week's episode. Today I'm going to be installing a lip spoiler on the BMW E90. Here's the spoiler I got. I just set it on the car. I got this one from E90 Post, which is a BMW forum. They have all the BMW types, models, everything on there. Each one has a different forum. Basically, they have a classified section, and I got this lip spoiler from somebody selling it used, meaning I saved quite a bit of money doing it that way. But of course you can find these on Amazon, all kinds of different websites. There's different styles and everything. I just decided to do this. To prep the area, let's go ahead and use some rubbing alcohol and rub it all against the top of the trunk here. Since I got mine used, of course it had previously been taped on. Anyway, go ahead and get yourself some 3M automotive tape is what I'm going to be using here. And we're going to go ahead and just put it all along the spoiler here. Once you got tape all the way through, let's go ahead and line it up on the trunk. Using painter's tape, go ahead and tape down each side to create a hinge. And these hinges will allow it to flip up, so we can peel this part of the tape off in order to tape it down onto our trunk. Once the tape is ready, go ahead and flip it back over. Firm one more time on the centering. Use a heat gun if you have one. I don't, so I'm just going to park mine out in the sunlight. And that is how you install a lip spoiler on a BMW E90. That's going to conclude today's video, everyone. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next one.